Hey there! Welcome to Shree's Storytelling Workshop. Let's explore how stories can make a big impact on people's lives. Together with Shree, why tell stories? Stories are like keys that open people's hearts. Let's learn how to make our words into amazing stories that touch others deeply. Get ready for a captivating adventure filled with magic and mystery. Let's dive into the enchanting world of the Magical Pendant together.
Once upon a time, in a cozy village nestled between rolling hills and winding rivers, there lived two best friends named Alvin and Max. Alvin was a kind-hearted boy with a special gift. He possessed a magical pendant that granted him the power to make his wishes come true. Max, on the other hand, was mischievous and always looking for adventure. Alvin and Max, the inseparable duo, embarked on another adventure in the Enchanted Woods. Alvin and Max were the best of friends, inseparable since they were little. Their laughter echoed through the woods as they explored together. One day, while wandering through the woods, Alvin paused in curiosity. He stumbled upon an old lady in the heart of the jungle, surrounded by swirling colors of magic and playing with the animals as if they were old friends. Alvin couldn't believe his eyes.
Well, what have we here? A young traveler with a heart full of curiosity.
Who are you, ma'am?
I am but a humble guardian of ancient magic, dear child. And you, Alvin, seem destined for greatness. This pendant holds great power, the power to make your wishes come true.
Hold up, my son, and say, hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew, let's make some magic, me and you. Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew, let's make some magic, me and you. Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew, let's make some magic, me and you.
Alvin's eyes widen with wonder as the old lady reveals a shimmering pendant.
Remember, my dear, with great power comes great responsibility.
Alvin nods, absorbing the old lady's words with reverence. Alvin excitedly tells Max about the magical pendant.
Max, you won't believe what happened. I met an amazing old lady in the woods, and she gave me this pendant.
What does it do?
It's a magical, Max. It grants wishes.
Wow, that's awesome. Can I see it?
Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew. Let's make some magic, me and you. Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew. Let's make some magic, me and you. Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew. Let's make some magic, me and you.
But one day, while Alvin was showing off his pendant to Max, Max's eyes gleamed with envy. He couldn't resist the temptation of having such power for himself.
This pendant is incredible. I could do anything with it.
So, when Alvin wasn't looking, Max snatched the pendant and ran off into the forest.
Oh wow. Now I'm the owner of this magical pendant that grant wishes. Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew. Let's make some magic, me and you. Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew. Let's make some magic, me and you. Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew. Let's make some magic, me and you.
Heartbroken and betrayed, Alvin felt a sense of deep sadness and betrayal. But instead of seeking revenge, he decided to teach Max a lesson in friendship and honesty. That night, under the light of the full moon, Alvin transformed himself into a ghostly figure. With a mischievous twinkle in his eye, he set out to confront Max and reveal the truth behind his disappearance. He heard a soft voice echoing through the darkness.
Hi, Max. I'm your new best friend.
Trembling with fear, he watched in awe as the ghostly figure
Alvin, is that
materialized
you?
before him.
Hey, Max. Spill the beans, buddy. Why did you go and swipe Alvin's magical pendant? Now I will punish you and will make you a rat. Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew. Hocus pocus, gilly gilly chew.
I am sorry. I took Alvin's pendant, but I will give it back. Promise. Hey Alvin. I brought something for you. Sorry Alvin. I'm really sorry about taking you without asking. It was wrong of me and felt terrible about it.
With tears in his eyes, Max apologized to Alvin and returned the pendant to its rightful owner.
Thanks, Max. I appreciate you returning it. And don't worry, we all make mistakes. See, Max, friendship and honesty are the real magic in life.
You're right, Alvin. I'll never forget that.
And so, Alvin and Max's friendship stood the test of time, proving that true magic lies in the bonds we share with those we love. From that day forth, Alvin and Max's friendship grew stronger than ever before, built on a foundation of trust, understanding, and the magic of forgiveness.
Let's explore some tips and tricks. What makes a story? A story is made up of characters, places, and events. Know your audience. Understanding who we are telling our story to helps us make it more interesting and relatable. Connecting emotionally. Feelings are super important in stories. When we share emotions like happiness or sadness, it helps others connect with our story. Painting pictures with words. We can use our imagination to describe things in a way that makes people really see them in their minds. Dealing with problems and solutions. Every good story has some problems for the characters to solve. It keeps things interesting. Thanks for joining us on this storytelling adventure with Shree. Share your stories with others and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shree's mentorship for more storytelling fun.